I'll stay on with us. We have US Vice President JD Vance, who has also spoken on the US government shutdown. And he said, and I quote, Democrats say that they care a lot about lowering healthcare costs. And yet, when the president took a historic action to work with the drug companies to lower the prescription drug prices, the Democrats did nothing to help us. What they have done instead is to shut down the government because we won't give billions of dollars to healthcare funding for illegal aliens. Let's listen in.
Number one, Democrats say that they care a lot about lowering healthcare costs, and yet when the president took historic action to work with the drug companies to lower prescription drug prices, the Democrats did nothing to help us. In fact, we would have loved to have the Democrats helping us, but they didn't. They talk about doing something. They don't actually do the hard work of making it happen. What they have done instead is to shut down the government because we won't give billions of dollars to healthcare funding for illegal aliens. That is what has actually happened. To the American people who are watching, the reason your government is shut down at this very minute is because, despite the fact that the overwhelming majority of congressional Republicans and even a few moderate Democrats supported opening the government, the Chuck Schumer AOC wing of the Democratic Party shut down the government because they said to us, we will open the government, but only if you give billions of dollars of funding.
All right, Aditya, if you're still with us, help us understand. We have the Vice President reiterating President Donald Trump's claim on healthcare that they do not want to provide funds to the illegal aliens. Will this deadlock between the Democrats and the Republicans come to an end, and how long will this last?
You know, there is a clear friction point between the Republicans and the Democrats, as far as the illegal concerned, because, during the Joe Biden's tenure, we saw how liberal policies they pursued. They allowed people of the foreign nationality to set states. However, now the Trump is absolutely opposed to this. He wants to make America great again to, pursue and he is following that policy, that the Americans should get all the benefits in. They are the natives of the United States, and that is why, it is a clear point of bone of contention between the two sides. And now it needs to be seen, from here on how whether the deadlock ends between the Democrats and the Republicans or not, because, the situation is going haywire. And at this juncture, US is considered the largest, political, military and economic power, and the world is watching. And what needs to be seen is that these comments by Vice President Vance are completely concerning in nature. It needs to be seen how things unfold in this scenario.
All right, Aditya, thank you so much for giving us those